Hi friends, welcome to G Ulagam. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayak Chaturthi, is one of the important Hindu festivals celebrated throughout India with a great devotion. This day is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed son of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Lord Ganesha is the symbol of wisdom, prosperity and good fortune. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on Shukla Chaturthi of the Hindu month of Bhadra. Generally falls between August and September. This festival is celebrated by Hindus with a great enthusiasm. People bring idols of Lord Ganesha to their homes and to worship. The duration of this festival varies from 1 day to 11 days depending on the place and tradition. On the last day of the festival, the idols are taken out in a colorful and musical procession and immersed traditionally in water. As per Hindu mythology, Lord Ganesha is considered as Vignaharta and Buddhi Pratayaka. This festival is very important for students. They worship Lord Ganesha to illumine their minds. How you can celebrate an eco-friendly Ganesh Chaturthi with social distancing in place? With the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi just around the corner, here are some ideas to make the celebration eco-friendly while maintaining the health and safety guidelines amid the coronavirus pandemic. The holy festival of Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated every year with great fervor in the country, with thousands of devotees thronging temple and Ganesh Utsav pandals to offer their prayers. After 10 days of festivities, finally the devotees bid adieu to the elephant god for the year by immersing it in water bodies. However, the festival this year will be celebrated in a much more restricted way amidst the global pandemic situation. The social distancing norms will prevent people to celebrate the festival in the congregation. With the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi just around the corner, here are some ideas to make the celebration eco-friendly and socially distanced. Ganesha idols made from traditional clay are 100% biodegradable and have the properties of dissolving into the water or immersion. As immersing idols in water bodies is not allowed this time, these idols can simply be immersed in the tub full of water inside the house as they dissolve in the water in some time. Though the festival brings in a lot of excitement among the devotees and many of them wish to go for grand or at least middle-sized idols, but the process of bidding adieu to big idols is tough this year. A small idol can be immersed in water at home. The concept of tree Ganesha idols was started by Mumbai-based artisan Dattatreya Kothur a few years back, but it is a well-known concept in the present day. These idols are made of natural colors, fertilizers, red soil and have a seed within them which grows into a plant. So instead of immersing the idol, it can be placed into a pot and can be watered every day. This option is for the ones that have that artistic streak within them and can turn around a Ganesha idol out of recycled paper, organic paint, organic glue and clay. A simple way is to create a tub using clay, organic glue and paper pieces and then mold it into an idol which can later be painted with the organic paint. All of the four materials used for making the idol are safe for the environment and hence the idol can be easily immersed in water and then the water can be discarded in the backyard without harming the backyard plants. While the festival has arrived at a time of uncertainty, it is very important that people do not let the pandemic dampen the spread of one of the biggest festivals in the country. The above mentioned ways are completely social distance friendly and also eco-friendly. Thank you.